When it comes to dedicated hosting, deciding between Hostwinds and Kinsta can be a bit tricky. Both companies offer some strong features, but which one truly stands out? In this video, we're diving into the details of Hostwinds versus Kinsta, which offers better dedicated hosting. Let's kick things off by talking about performance and uptime. Hostwinds is known for its reliable uptime, usually hitting that 99.9% mark or higher. They offer various hardware configurations, which means you can tailor your dedicated server to your needs. But here's the thing, while Hostwinds delivers decent performance, it's not quite as consistent when compared to Kinsta. Next thing to consider is server management. Kinsta shines in this area. They've built their platform on Google Cloud, and that means lightning-fast performance, especially if you're running resource-heavy applications or high-traffic websites. They also offer fully managed services, meaning they handle all the server management for you. This is a big advantage if you're not an expert in server administration. On the flip side, Hostwinds offers both managed and unmanaged dedicated hosting, so if you want more control or you have the technical know-how, Hostwinds might be the better option. The support experience is another key differentiator. Hostwinds offers 24/7 support via live chat and phone, and in general, their support team is quick to respond. However, in my experience, Kinsta support goes a step further with a higher level of expertise. Their team is always ready to solve issues, and they're very proactive about suggesting solutions for any problems that arise. Another factor to keep in mind is pricing. Hostwinds is typically more affordable, offering competitive rates for their dedicated servers. If you're on a tighter budget, Hostwinds will give you more bang for your buck. Kinsta, however, comes with a higher price tag, but that's because you're getting premium services like top-tier performance and fully managed hosting. You're paying for quality, and if you need reliability at scale, that extra cost could be worth it. Now, let's talk about scalability. Hostwinds offers great flexibility for scaling your server resources up or down, making it a solid choice for businesses that might grow fast and need to adjust their hosting accordingly. Kinsta does offer scalability too, but it's a bit more tailored to high-end users and businesses that prioritize premium performance. If you're running an e-commerce site or a business-critical platform, Kinsta may offer the scalability you need to ensure smooth performance under heavy load. The security offerings are another area where both services stand out in different ways. Hostwinds has robust security features, including DDoS protection, but Kinsta takes it to the next level by including a range of security protocols, daily backups, and hack fix guarantees. So if security is your top priority, Kinsta edges out Hostwinds here. Now, here's the big question, which is better? Hostwinds versus Kinsta, which offers better dedicated hosting? Both are solid options depending on your needs, but after testing both, I would say if you're looking for top-tier performance and top-notch support without the need for hands-on server management, Kinsta takes the crown. On the other hand, if you're looking for a more budget-friendly option and don't mind getting your hands dirty with server management, Hostwinds is a great choice. Ultimately, both of these services do a good job, but if you want a better alternative that combines flexibility, security, and performance without breaking the bank, I recommend checking out the service linked in the description. Through our link, you'll get the best free trial and exclusive benefits only available to our viewers. Don't miss out on this amazing opportunity for your hosting needs.